Another topic that I want to discuss regarding date-time data types is the interval. And interval is a very powerful data type that you can have, and which basically means an interval of time. And I just put here some of the intervals that you can have. You can have years, months, weeks, days, hours, minutes, seconds. And this is like the abbreviation or the shortcut that you can specify. And without further explanation, let's try to do this. For example, I can put here 1 day and cast it as an interval, and Postgres is going to type here as 1 day. And you can even do something like this: 1 day minus, let's put 1 minute, and you can see here that it has did this calculation. Put this is the 1 day minus 1 minute, or let's say if I put here m, it will put this minutes in the date type. Now if I put here, let's say 100 seconds, it will just automatically calculate this, and this is basically the value of this column of this row is 1 day minus 100 seconds. Or I can even put 1 week like this, which is basically 1 day minus 1 week is 6 days. Now what's the point of this? So let me show you the point of this. You can have something like current time, which in my case it's 1:41 a.m. I can put here, let me put 15 minutes interval, and you can see here it has done this calculation for me. Or I can put 15 weeks, and okay, let me put current date, it's much more clearer. So it has done this calculation for me and has subtracted from the current date 15 weeks and so on. And as you can see here, you can have like something like a column with an interval data type, and you can do this computation on the Postgres level with your date or with your time, or even if with your timestamp, something like this: 15 weeks, 15 years, and so on. And that's all about the interval data type. I just want, maybe it's not so common that you would use, but I just wanted to share with you.